Meet ShaggAi, where your words turn into action. Describe what you need and ShaggAi writes the Python, runs it, and brings the results straight into your chat. Curious how it works? Click the view icon on your message to see the full script. Want an extra check? Turn on preview to review the action. Then run it when you are ready. When a workflow proves useful, save it. ShaggAi suggests clear names and helpful tags. And you can organize actions in folders so they are easy to find. Every run is transparent. On the execution page you see the output, the logs, and exactly how long it took. Planning ahead is simple. Use the built-in calendar to schedule runs at any time you want. Specific dates and times, hourly, daily, weekly, weekdays or weekends, monthly, yearly, or custom intervals. Need more capability? Add pip packages or drop in your own local modules with a file dialog. The AI in the chat window installs packages he requires for an action run automatically. From idea to outcome with less friction. Say it, see it, save it, schedule it. ShaggAi makes it happen.